What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today I got another makeup tutorial video for you guys. So if you enjoy my makeup videos or any other videos that I have, please check them out. Let's get started into this video. So first, as you can see, I have applied my primer and I'm applying my foundation. I used the LA Girl primer and I'm using the LA Girl full coverage in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm also using my concealer in the shade Toast, and I'm just blending that out together. For today's video, I am not outlining my eyebrows. I am just using my brush tool just to brush them into place. And then I'm going to be using my concealer in the shade Toast just to outline my eyebrows. Now that my eyebrows are complete, I'm going to be using this color. It's almost like a pearl dust color. I'm using that for my underbrow just to highlight that arch area. Then I'm going to be going in with a brown and I'm going to be blending that out in the midsection of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to be going in with my concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. Next, I'm going to be going over that with my gold eyeshadow from in my palette and also my glitter gold from another palette that I have. Next, I'm going to be using my trusty tape to add to the corners of my eyes so I can form my eyeliner. I do like this technique because it makes it so much easier for me to make my eyeliner. And I am using a green eyeshadow from my palette to do this. I used my setting spray technique just so I can have it watered base so I can form my eyeliner. And I'm using green because I'm still going off of my St. Patrick's Day theme. So I'm going in with green and gold as my theme colors. Now that I'm satisfied with my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my black just to go over that green and just to highlight it. Next, I'm going in with my eyeliner. I have a color that's like a green and gold shimmer color. That's the color I'm using on my waterline. Next, I'm going to be applying my concealer, and I'm also using that just to clean up my wings. Next, I'm just applying my mattifying powder, and I'm going to leave that to set for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to be doing different looks on my lips just so you guys can have an idea of the different options that you have with this look. So first I'm going in with my matte black lipstick, and I'm going to be using that same shimmer green color that I used on my waterline. I'm just going to be applying that to the center of my lips, and then I'm going to be using my lip balm just to add some moisture to that so it can sparkle. Next, I'm going in with my black lip liner, and I'm just outlining my lips, and then I'm going to be using a copper tone lip gloss for my next look. And for my next option, I'm just using my lip balm just to make sure my lips is moisturized. And then I'm going to be applying some of that gold color that I have in my palette. And I'm just going to apply it to my lips. And those are the lip options that I have for this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So next, I'm just going to be brushing away that mattifying powder that I had setting on my face. And then we're just going to set that all in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Setting Spray. And that's it. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.